Hello there, Mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential function. Let's dive into it. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The tables gives values of f of x at selected values of x, which are the following statement is true. X values are 0 to 4, and f of x are 5 through 405. So f of x is given as a times b to the power of x. We will use the first data. f0, we will substitute 0 for x, is equals to 5. b to the power of 0 is 1. So a times 1 is 5. So technically a is equals to 5. To find the value of b, I'm going to use the second data, f1, which is 5 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 15. We'll divide both sides by 5, and b is equals 3. So b is greater than 1, so a and d is not the answer, and the answer is either b or c. The only difference between these two choices is that growth and the decay. Growth means goes up, decay means goes down. As x values are increasing, the y values are also increasing at the same time. Because of that, this is a growth function. Therefore, the correct choice will be choice B for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.